if you have a business or you have a professional career that you're pursuing, it's very important to still invest because we
Yes.
can't save our way into financial freedom. You can't just save your money in the bank and expect that that is going to give you the financial freedom that you need. No matter the career that we're pursuing, it's just important to invest, but learn. Even if you're not like, oh, I don't know what stocks to buy, S&P 500, do the Nasdaq. That's a basket of goods. You can't lose your money if you invest in the S&P 500 for the long term. Wherever you are, if it's just $100 that you can invest. But first of all, educate yourself. Education is so important, and that's why it's crucial to learn from practitioners, people that have been where you're trying to get to. That's the role of a mentor. That's the role of a coach. Because why? A mentor or a coach has gone through the same mistake that you're about to go through. And if you
Mhm.
just pay for that knowledge, you're going to get to where you're going way much faster. You're going to compound your wealth way much faster because why? You won't fall into the same trap that this person has fallen into. The
Mhm.
process of buying and selling stocks is going to take less than 30 seconds. But if you don't understand the dynamics, the nuances of the market,
Yeah.
you're going to lose your money. But a lot of people would not pay attention to that. It's because we're students of the market. We educate ourselves about what is going on in the market. And that's
How
what the
can I
winning
do that
strategy
if I have
is.
a full-time job, coach? I have 9 to 5 job,
Some
but
of my students, they
yeah.
have 9 to 5, but we still have our lessons later in the evenings. If it's just 1 hour in a week, 2 hours in a week, dedicated to understanding the market. Because why? The moment you understand how to play in the market, something changes psychologically about the way you approach money. Why
Yes.
are we confident to talk about the market? Why are we saying, yes, I'm going to invest even when the market is panicking, even when the market is red? It's because we've studied this thing. We understand how this game works. Money is a game. If you understand how to play it, you're going to win. But if you don't understand it, you're going to keep losing. You're going to keep walking till your bones shiver. The moment you understand how to play this money game, we're talking about cover call, we're talking about cash secure put, we're talking about investing in these long-term strong companies.